Hi folks, welcome to the channel, welcome to Beach Road, and welcome to my favourite city, Pattaya. I just love it when I'm here. I arrived a few days ago. All these videos are intended to give anyone who's watching a feel for Thailand and a feel for Pattaya. Now, since my first video in Pattaya, I haven't done much video recording, but I've took a lot of B-roll of the places that I've been. I've been sightseeing more than I've ever sightseeing in Pattaya. So at the minute I'm taking a walk along here, let you see what Beach Road's like, but when the sun starts to set, I'm going to be heading for my favourite restaurant in Pattaya, which of course isn't a Thai restaurant, it's a steakhouse which serves Thai food as well. And then I'll just show you around the general Sao Bukhao area. Don't know what I'm going to do there, just stay watching and you'll find out. You know, they say Pattaya is adults only and all that sort of stuff. That's nonsense. Pattaya is a brilliant family place. It's brilliant for singles. It's brilliant for everybody. There's so much to do. I can't tell you. You're never short of places to go, things to see and things to do. So let's jump back a couple of days. And the first place I'm going to show you that I went to, that I'd never went to in all my times in Pattaya, the Golden Buddha. And as I said, and as you'll see, there's much more to Pattaya than what it's best known for. Like so many things, before I started my YouTube channel, I can't believe I haven't come here before. Back in the day, I'd have been too busy drinking beer. You'll notice it's mostly Thai people here, and they're here for prayer and worship. So for them, they're not here to sightsee. I suppose they are to a certain extent, but it's religious. As usual, I always end up climbing, but I think my legs can cope with this. It's not too high. There's actually 120 steps, and it's flanked by, I think they're called the Naga snakes, which are meant to symbolise protection when you're on your climb to enlightenment. And these vendors, they're not just selling knickknacks. People buy these smaller statues to worship at their personal shrines at home. And the Buddha itself, obviously not made of gold. It's constructed of concrete and it's painted gold. And you'll notice surrounding the big Buddha, which by the way is 18 meters, approximately 54 feet high. So it's massive. There are 7 smaller statues, each representing a day of the week. Fantastic. Thoroughly enjoyed that. So, Beach Road, it's I don't know how long it is. It's probably about 1.5 miles of a banana-shaped curve, and it's just buzzing all the time, morning, noon and night with activity. Right now, moving on. Or is it moving backwards? Like yesterday, I went north of Pattaya and visited the amazing Sanctuary of Truth. This is amazing. It's one of those places that's more epic than you imagine from videos and photographs. And it's all built, all of it from wood. Everything about it is just awe-inspiring. I can't tell you. And amazingly, no nails and no glue have been used in its erection. It's put together 100% using traditional Thai wood jointing technologies. Just unbelievable. It stands over 100 meters tall, and it's the largest wooden structure in the world. In the world. Thailand really does have no fear. They think big. It's also 100% sustainable. They plant trees as they go along to replenish the stocks. It really is captivating. Fantastic. You know, whenever I'm in Thailand, I get a feeling, not far off the feeling that I got as a child on Christmas Day. There's just such a wonderful vibe. Everybody smiles at you. If you go in for something to eat or something to drink, everybody's talkative. Obviously there's a lovely climate. Can get very hot at times, but you're guaranteed good weather all year round. Even in the rainy season, you know, they get these massive downpours, but it's warm, and rain is very, very, very different in the heat. Not nearly as annoying. Am I coming across as someone who loves Thailand? I think I am. Now, jumping back again, here's a couple of short clips from a few other places that I've visited this week. So I've really had a busy few days and thoroughly enjoyed it. Now I think the sun's setting, so I'm gonna start heading for dinner. I think I'll walk a little further, take in a little more of this wonderful atmosphere. What's not to like? And it's February. Fantastic. This is second road. One road over is Beach Road. And then this runs parallel. And then there's a third road. But all super busy, especially Beach Road. But this restaurant is in just off Second Road.
Moments later.
I never learn. I know you're meant to book full up, but he's got me a place in half an hour. So we're gonna have a beer here.
Soon after.
Perfect seat. Because I can smoke the e-cig here. This is the best steakhouse in the world that I know. Can't wait. Haven't ordered yet. Looking forward to it. Cheers, guys. I have to admit, it looks a bit smaller than usual, but it smells fantastic. I think I enjoyed that. Right, so best steakhouse in Pattaya, 2 steaks, peppered sauce, I got mushrooms, everything. I had 2 large draft beers. My friend had a beer, £44. Only in Thailand.
2 hours later.
way, if you buy a drink in Thailand, like places like Pattaya, you don't pay. They bring you like a tub, and that's your bill. And then as you drink more beer or whatever, they top it up, and at the end of the night, they count it up. Easy, you don't pay anything, the night's over.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Guys, I think that's another video, and it's the first video I think about a few drinks, but that's one night in Pattaya and I haven't done anything really. You want an exciting night? All those places to go. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video, okay? I'll leave it off there.